You've signed up for IXL, but where should you start? Let's take a look at a few helpful tips that will help you make the most of your free trial. Your students need an account to get started on IXL, so the first thing you should do is get your roster set up. It's easy. Just type in your student's name and email, and IXL will automatically generate a password. You can also head over to the roster page by clicking the drop-down button in the upper right-hand corner. Print out our student username and password cards so your class is ready to sign in and get started. We have a few ways to find the perfect skill on IXL. You can browse from the grade view, or you can see which skills line up to your state standards. But there's a simple tool that's a true teacher favorite: skill plans. Skill plans show you the skills that are aligned to commonly used textbooks. And finding the right skill for the day's lesson is simple. It's easy to reference the skills that will maximize classroom learning. IXL makes it easy to personalize learning by allowing you to suggest specific skills. Hover over the star to the left of the skill to assign it to a class, a group, or a single student. Your students will see these skills on their recommendations page. The IXL Smart Score gives you the best possible information on a student's understanding of a skill. It isn't a grade or a percentage score. With the Smart Score, it's about really understanding the skill and building fluency and confidence. For a new topic or skill, we recommend starting students off with a Smart Score goal of 80, which indicates proficiency. For students who are ready for an additional challenge, they can try for a Smart Score of 90 or a score of 100, which indicates mastery. Keep in mind that reaching a Smart Score of 100 is a big challenge. Students will encounter rigorous questions, and they must answer them correctly and consistently to show that they really know their stuff. Students already up and running on IXL? Use IXL Analytics to see how they're doing. We have a variety of reports that will help you see where your students are at right now and what you can do to help them grow. Here are 2 reports we recommend trying. We hear from teachers all the time that the live classroom is their favorite report. The live classroom allows you to keep an eye on your students while encouraging independent practice, alerting you whenever a student needs your attention. Maybe they're off task or need extra one-on-one help. You can provide support the moment it's needed. Another teacher favorite is the Trouble Spots report. It's an essential tool for addressing all of your students' needs efficiently and effectively. Even if you only have 20 minutes, use the Trouble Spots report for targeted reteaching. Just scroll through the report and discover exactly where your students need a little extra help. We even make it easy for you to lead small group or one-on-one instruction. Want more ideas for how to make the most of your trial? Head over to the Teacher Resources page, where we have video and step-by-step implementation guides that will help you make the most of your free trial. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Just check out our Help Center or reach out to us at help@ixl.com.